India is set to witness major reforms in the GST regime this year. PM Modi, on the occasion of Independence Day, promised that the next generation reforms would drop by before Diwali, assuring a massive reduction in taxes and on common use items. The centre has now unveiled a three-pillar blueprint for the reforms that has been sent to the group of ministers for further discussions. The GST Council would take it up in its upcoming meeting. Let's in fact listen in to what the Prime Minister had to say.
इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्यमी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा। रोजमर्रा की चीजें बहुत सस्ती हो जाएगी और उससे इकोनॉमी को भी एक नया बल मिलने वाला है।
On GST reforms, Finance Ministry has sent a new proposal to the GOM of the GST Council. To talk more on this, I have with me economist Ved Jain. The sources have told us that Finance Ministry proposal includes reduction of GST slabs from the existing 4 to just 2. How do you see this?
I believe this is a need of the hour, and GST was introduced way back on 1st July 2017 with a clear notion, one nation, one tax. And it was expected ideally that the tax rate will be uniform across the country, and by and large there will not be many slabs. But looking to the compulsion at that time, the collection was a major issue. There was a contingency whether we will be able to generate enough revenue to meet the challenges of the state and the center. So we have proposed 4 tax rates, 5, 12, 18 and 28, and then some extra sin goods, etc. out there. Now I think after 8 years, the GST collection has stabilized. It has improved drastically. We have a very good collections, and by the system has also stabilized, and tax evasion enforcement mechanism all are in place, and this is the right time to give a boost to the economy by bringing the tax rate down and restructuring in the manner there is a little confusion about the tax rate. Ideally, I believe the tax rate should not be more than 2. One is a merit rate, certain goods which needs some concession for daily day-to-day consumption for middle class, poor men. As regards to 28%, I am of the view that these are the sin goods. And for that few items, the government can always have a particular rate, higher rate, in order to discourage the utilization, in order to discourage people not to go to tobacco or some chewing gums or something like this. That is the proposal. I believe that's the idea basically should be there.
Thank you very much for talking to NDTV. So the next challenge now before the centre will be to get the states on board on this major GST reform proposal. In Delhi with Sanjay Kaushik, Himanshu Shekhar for NDTV.